Let me live behind you, 'cause I need shelter from the rain. Remind me the only way my faith can grow is when you let your winds blow. You're making me stronger now, so rain, don't go away. Don't go away.
For real though.
I admit it'd be nice to have some light shine down on me, especially when what I shall be you don't always let me see. It ain't easy, but I'm trying hard to get out of your way to believe what you say, that my change begins today. The road includes some pain, and to grow you need some rain. And when it falls, I wanna be where you are.
If you don't mind, can you?
Let me live behind you, 'cause I need shelter from the rain. Remind me the only way my faith can grow is when you let your winds blow. You're making me stronger now, so rain, don't go away. Don't go away, 'cause there's so much I see needs to grow inside of me. In the fire I realize before I leave my hand to fly.
Yes.
Please believe me when I say I can't waste another day. It's so easy to complain, but complain don't make a change. Not the victim anymore. All the things God has in store. If I ain't ready, don't let the rain go away. Don't go away.
Jesus,
I need,
can I just hang out behind you?
'cause I need.
It's cold out here. It's rain.
The only way my faith can grow is when you let your winds blow. You're making me stronger now.
It don't feel good right now, but I had to realize
You're making me stronger now.
it's necessary. You're trying to grow me up.
You're making me stronger now.
You're taking away everything that's not like you, Jesus.
You're making me stronger now.
It's that breaking process, y'all. Come on.
You're making me stronger now.
Your delay is not a denial. I realize
You're making me stronger now.
you love me too much to give me too much, Jesus.
You're making me stronger now.
Your plan is perfect even when I'm not. I realize
Making me stronger now.
I can't rely on my own strength this time, y'all. Come on.
You made me stronger now.
I cried while I worshiped.
You made me stronger now.
When time money was rent money.
Made me stronger.